we are trying the new pumpkin drinks. Oh my gosh. So, I've never had a pumpkin spice latte. The pumpkin cream cold brew?
Yes, that's what I got.
Okay,
Here we go.
you like it?
It's so good.
Let me try.
It's so
That
good.
has too much nutmeg or whatever. Oh my god.
Nope.
That's good.
Oh, that's so good.
This is a no. I don't like the spices. It's like nutmeg or whatever.
I still drink it though.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna drink it, but it's too much.
Kylie.
I knew it was gonna be like this for me. I just can't do those spices like that, like anything like that. It's a no.
I really like these.
Oh, oof! I'm gonna have to chug this down with plugging my nose because this is. Oh, Kyrie. What do you think? What do you think? He likes it. So the pumpkin spice latte is a no. It's gross.
Period.
The pumpkin cream frappuccino is a yes. So I'm gonna force myself to drink this. Okay, this was like $6. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried these drinks and if you like them or not.
Ew, this is getting nasty now. I think just the cream was good. Just starting to really taste it.
The coffee?
All of that.
So we're gonna go get food before this baby gets really cranky. And I'm talking about us. I see you naked, baby. Hey guys, so please excuse this, I'm getting ready. So I'm just going to get ready for the day and update you guys. My hair is a mess, but what's new? It's always a mess. So I had videos filmed, like half of them are filmed, but I don't have them uploaded because they're not finished. And they're not finished because I don't do anything interesting anymore. I don't work right now. I just sent in some resumes to schools, so I'm just waiting for callbacks, and I basically don't do anything like during the day, which is not interesting to vlog because it seems like my daily vlogs are the videos that get the most views. But since I really don't do anything really like important, or it's not interesting for the viewers, so anyways, it's a few days later. I'm at home. I'm babysitting my siblings because my grandma went on a retreat, so she wanted me to house sit just to make sure everything goes fine. I wanted to go tailgating this weekend with my friends, but for the game, but obviously this is more important. So hopefully next weekend or the weekend after, I'm gonna go tailgate with them. It'll be fun. I don't have anything else to say. I dropped my little sister off at her friend's house yesterday after school. It was Friday the 13th. Usually I'm like really superstitious. I was born on a 13th, so I am like superstitious with all that stuff. But I was actually pretty calm. And everybody's like freaking out online about it, and I just thought it was so weird that they're all freaking out. Like especially like I'm so stressed out, so scared of like what's to come, all this stuff. I was like, girl, you need to chill. It's not that deep. It's just a day. And the full moon was so pretty. One thing I do have to say is I did not sleep at all. Like, I could not sleep. I didn't go to bed until like 5, so that was pretty crazy. I watched Foster's Home for Imaginary Kids on Hulu like all night because I could not fall asleep. And then I woke up at 9, which is early for me since I don't work. I don't wake up until like 10 or 11, but I woke up at 9. So that's how my Friday the 13th went. Okay, so those are my eyebrows. Also, I cut my hair. Did you notice? You probably can't even tell because my shirt is so bright and I have the brightness up. But yeah, I just cut my hair because it was getting so long that I was literally wearing my hair up every single day and it was giving me headaches. So I just cut it and I feel a lot better about it. I'm trying to let this blonde grow out. So hopefully that grows out very soon. And yeah, I'm just messing with my hair. Look at you walking!
Right, he's walking too much.
He's walking! Mickey baby! Show him what you got. These might be a little too light on you, mister. Just changed him like 10 minutes ago. And his diaper is full again.
Kyrie, look at all your toys.
Oh, toy basket. Go get it, naked baby. So yeah, I'm probably just going to play The Sims until, I don't know, until I want to make something for lunch. I don't know what to make. Kind of thinking French toast. Oh, that's my computer. No, no. Hi, Ray Ray. Hi, Ray Ray. Say hi. Oh my gosh, yes.